Everybody, this is the third time we were recording because the other two times my game either went poo or it took too long to load.
Raise
So
the anchor.
which shanty should I do? Yes, you work. I must do the most important things that there is to do. And I think you know what I'm going to do.
Let's see what island it's on. Don't. Animal abuse.
I do not support animal abuse. Animal abuse is a bad thing, but this is a game.
Virtual animal abuse.
They don't have feelings. It's a parrot.
So you're saying you don't have feelings?
Hey, I have feelings.
Why are we
I'm a
leaving
human.
Galleon Grave without, like, the entrance to Galleon Grave? It's kind of dumb.
So,
There's a Reaper's
what song should I
Bounty, by
play?
the way.
What song should I play?
Bowspin Bill.
Okay. Also, it's not like I don't take care of Sunny.
You don't. You launch her out of cannon.
Shh. That never happened. That
yeah,
never
I'm pretty sure it's
ever
gonna be on this
happened.
island up here. The
Okay.
island straight ahead.
Okay.
It's
Oh, this is actually.
It's either
Oh my
yeah, I'm pretty
gosh.
sure it's Sunken Grove or Daggertooth Outpost.
This is actually making me nauseous.
What's making you nauseous?
Being down here, it's shaking so much.
Yeah, I mean it's not like waves exist.
What was that?
Yeah, it's Sunken Grove. I just shot a bullet while I was committing suicide.
No, no, don't.
Sewer slide. Sorry.
Dude, who's driving the ship then?
Me.
Then. You know, I'm confused now. Also, if you want to see more videos with friends, leave a like and subscribe. It helps me and people, you know. Oh,
You are really
definitely
horrible
me.
at this.
I know, and I'm doing it on purpose. But if you want to see more of Sea of Thieves, smash that like button and make sure that it turns blue, because that means you love to like. That means you love to like. And if you leave a like, that's a good thing. Also, if you want to see more videos with
Bruh.
with Pizza Hut, also leave a like.
No one cares about him. It's all about T-Ray Mickey.
Ooh, compass.
Golden compass. Woo, and I paid for it.
Can't we just sell this compass to get even more money than we would get from here?
No, because you get like 10k from here.
Yes. But if you sold this, you could get an easy 50 grand.
No, you really couldn't.
In-game logic.
You really couldn't.
In-game logic.
I feel like you're like Bowspin Bill, dude.
Hey, no. Isn't he the
Bowspin Bill
worst
was known
pirate?
throughout Yeah, he was the worst pirate because he was known throughout the port for getting caught.
I was never caught.
Yes, you have. I've caught you.
Oh no. I hate exploding skeletons.
Gunpowder barrels.
Yeah. I took fall damage and then I got blown up. Can you revive me?
Ow, freaking snake.
I died.
Good.
That's mean.
You should have
Sad.
brought food.
I
didn't
did bring
even bring
food.
any food.
I had
Oh, you-
5 bananas. Except he came up behind me and I kaboom. I tried to shoot him. But you know
I
what
hear
happened.
snakes. I hear
Yay!
snacks.
Snacks.
Nothing?
Special lantern.
Okay.
Green lantern.
Oh, I know what
I have.
island this is at. I'm pretty sure I
I've
know
never
what island
pressed
this is
tab
at.
before. No, I have. I've just never
What do you
seen the
mean?
price log.
Oh.
Time to go through. Yay! Mystery portal that you don't know if you live or die, but you always live. But no one knows that because everyone died.
No, the ferryman saves you.
No, I saved me. Can't you tell? Sunny's back! Don't worry, I'll take care of Sunny. Sunny is the captain. Okay? Sunny is the captain. And you
Yeah,
can't
I was
say
right.
no to that.
Old Faithful Isle is where it's at. We just don't know where it is on Old Faithful Isle.
So we just go over to Old Faithful.
No, we don't know where it is on Old Faithful Isle. So we just gotta keep
We
following the
just go there
compass
and we
to
get a
keep finding
map,
more
don't we?
No. We know where the final chest is. The island, but we don't know where the actual chest is on the island.
Oh, we're moving, okay.
I like how Sunny just sits here on the wheel with me. That's a really awesome feature.
Yeah, that's why I got Sunny. I don't. Oh my gosh.
You said you got in Sunny for like a trillion reasons. You said you got it so you could launch it off a cannon.
Shh.
So,
No.
so
No.
you could have it on your hands.
So I could feed it. No.
He also said so you could feed a grog, except for I don't think you can feed a grog.
You have no proof. Where's the mermaid?
You know I record every conversation, right?
Shh. You have no proof. Where is the mermaid? Oh, there's the mermaid. The mermaid's too far away. At this point, I'd rather swim to the boat than
The
swim
boat's
a
farther
couple
than
of...
the mermaid.
Shh. I'm doing smart. I'm doing a smart thing by taking the mermaid because the mermaid takes longer than the boat.
Has anyone actually done the maiden voyage?
Most likely.
But like, it's so dumb. Like, what is the point of a tutorial in this game?
So that you know what's happening.
Yeah, but like,
It's not like
yeah.
you do quests and gain money from those quests to upgrade everything.
No, the maiden voyage is a tutorial that's separate from this game. Yeah, it's gonna be this island right up here, through these rocks. Yes, that's what it looks like.
Okay.
Because there don't seem to be an island nearby.
While
And
you do that,
shaking.
I'll get you lunch.
Yeah, it's
You're
definitely
having
this
raw
island.
fish for lunch. You're having some sushi.
Sushi?
Yes.
Sous chef? We're having sous chef?
You're having sushi. I'm having a whole banana.
some sous chef.
The reason why I'm not... The reason why
Okay,
I'm
but,
the greatest...
I'm in a duel with this skeleton who just missed me. And somehow I missed him. Where'd you go?
I need you to,
How did I miss him?
I need
What?
you to have
I
this...
feel like I'm just bad.
Well,
I'm
okay.
just bad, that's the answer. Should
gone.
be like right here still. Yeah.
Time to chug 2 bananas.
Oh, there they are. Oh, hi, skeletons.
That was all me. Wait, hold on. You know what I could have done? I could have harpooned you. I'll harpoon you. You stay in the water and get wet. I'll harpoon you.
No, I don't want to be wet.
Then you shouldn't have gone into the water.
Crap, wet powder. Dude. Totally didn't just run out of bullets. Because wet powder isn't a thing in this game. Whoops.
Did you just shoot my bird? Only I can do that.
I'm allowed to do that. I'm your captain. Okay?
That's my bird.
Why'd you come at me?
Wait, what?
I'm your captain. I don't
Yes.
even have my ship cosmetics on.
I noticed that. I'm a
Yeah, so
horrible
we're not
aim.
on the drilling dragon. We're on the.
I got
stupid,
one.
Ship.
I got one with my final shot. I'm so happy.
Sniper rifle.
Yeah.
Meh.
I am not smart. I was thinking, oh, you have to press and hold it to open the ammo chest. You have to press and hold it.
They
And I was
probably
just
should
spamming
nerf
it.
the ammo chest.
Tell me when there's a megalodon so that we can harpoon it and surf it.
Crap, I keep doing that.
Did you
That means
just
to like.
Did you just shoot my bird out of a cannon? No. Okay.
Do not support animal abuse.
Yes, we do not support animal abuse.
But you do. I don't know what you're talking about.
I don't support animal abuse. Virtual animal abuse. Never mind. We do not support animal abuse. Because animal abuse is a bad thing. Another fishy. The first one I forgot to grab. But this one I'll catch 100%. Have you ever been fishing in real life?
Yeah. It's not very fun.
Yeah, it's kind of boring.
Unlike in Sea of Thieves.
Yeah, in Sea of Thieves, it's awesome. You can get red fish, blue fish, green fish, blue fish. Yes, I didn't do that on purpose. You can get one
I
fish.
got a red ruby.
You can get a 1 fish, 2 fish, red fish, blue fish. Have you ever gotten a trophy fish?
Yeah. My first fish I got was a trophy fish.
Remember that time, Salmon gave you a golden trophy fish to hang up, and you just ate it in front of him?
No, it was the cook. I
No.
ate it. Because I was hungry, okay?
No, remember that time he burnt the fish and you ate it and then threw up?
Yes, I do remember that one. Go on silver retreat, please.
I'm fishing.
I'll kill you.
I'm almost done with this fish.
Fine. You have now been shot in the head.
I didn't feel a thing. Come on. How's this rope like
Goodbye,
this?
Sunny.
Only I can do that.
Hey, I'm your captain. Only I'm allowed to do that.
Only I'm allowed to do that. And
Did
you
you
don't
check my
just...
blunder bombs?
No.
Well, I got fire bombs. They're even better. 'Cause you took
No.
like... So, dude,
Trophy fish.
it's not letting me pick it up. Why? Yes!
Dude, no, don't eat it. No, you just ate it in one gulp. I wish Sunny could sit on your arm. Seriously? No. Only I get to. Who's driving the ship?
Me.
You're a very good driver. I kind of feel bad for Sunny now. Every time we play, Sunny gets shot out of a can. Where did Sunny go? I feel like one of these days, Sunny would be like, I
I
quit.
literally see it.
Sunny would just
Ooh,
be like,
should we do that shit? Right over there?
No, we shouldn't.
It's not a... I don't think it's a player ship. I think it's a skeleton galleon.
I'm just going to
Over
lock...
here at Life's Backbone.
I'm just going to put Sunny where she belongs. At the captain's seat.
Yep, with me.
No, because she deserves it.
Also, that's not even the captain's seat.
Shh.
That's a mermaid gem!
It is! I can harpoon you if you want.
Yeah, stay on the boat and then harpoon me back. Oh no, it wasn't it was just a message in a bottle.
What's the message?
It doesn't even matter.
Yes, it does. Give me.
No,
Gimme.
we're on the
Gimme
last
it.
bottom.
Gimme it.
Thing.
Gimme
Look
it.
inside your quest book. Momentum glitch. Go!
Seeking knowledge hidden in the skull and bone. Known for protecting Kraken's fall. Okay, I don't know what any of this means.
It means he's at Kraken Fall. That's really wrong.
I'm the greatest aim.
What are you trying to do? You're trying to grab me. But your aim is terrible.
I'm not trying to grab you. Also, it's dark.
Are you sure you're not trying to grab me?
I'm positive. Remember that time the map was on the back of the paper? On one of our quests, and you found it out after we abandoned it?
Yeah.
That was such a joyous time. That was the greatest.
Hold up. I think our compass is bugged, because it's telling me it's right where I am. Like, right where I stand,
So just...
but I'm not getting it. Oh! It was just bugged, I guess.
We always... Oh! 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 I've seen this place before.
I know what it is. It's, I already marked it on our map.
You're welcome.
I already marked it on our map. We just gotta
You're
go
welcome
to
for
it.
bringing you up onto the ship.
No one cares, Oliver.
Hey, I helped you.
Should be like right there. We have to go west.
So,
Northwest.
Northeast. Okay. So while you do all the pirating, I'll fish. Because you ate my beloved trophy fish.
It's pretty tasty.
Hey, it wasn't even cooked. Ooh, glowy fish.
Glowy. Go repair the ship right now, Oliver.
Seriously? Did you seriously crash the ship? I don't have any wood.
There's wood in there.
You're so bad at driving.
Dude, it's not perfect.
I'm better than you.
No, all over. It's cool that I went over an entire island on purpose.
I'm better
It's
than you.
funny to see you suffer. And also, Oliver, you say that, but like you're really bad at this game. Like,
Exactly.
like, oh, yeah, we need to go northeast.
Yes, northeast. Yeast.
No, west.
North.
What does that start with?
Yeast.
What does west start with?
Yeast.
A W. A
Northeast. Time to have some root beer.
I think that's Salmon. Salmon just sent a message in the chat, I think.
What?
No, it was the 14 rats.
What did Salmon do?
No, nothing.
Hey, dude. This is my 3rd cup of root beer.
What mug you have?
Ashton Dragon.
It's the one that I have too.
Oh my gosh, my wobbliness is so much. Oh my gosh.
You got a bit too much root beer?
Yeah, everything is wobbly. Everything is shaking. The mast isn't straight anymore. It's all
Jump
curvy.
off the ship now!
Everything is so curvy.
Walk it. Oh, fine. I'm taking Sonic.
Don't make me puke.
That, I'll light the entire thing on fire and destroy it like I did last time just because you threw up on me. I don't think that's a really wise decision.
Oh no! How did that happen? How did that happen?
You can walk over where the harpoons are, because... Or you can't walk over them, but you can walk backwards off them.
Puke infused sword. Have you ever had a puke infused sword?
No.
Nor have I.
Muck.
What's your favorite game?
Muck.
Oh, my character is so...
Muck.
Had too much root beer.
Muck.
No,
Muck.
don't say it too many times.
Muck.
The closed captions might make it the other word.
Muck.
No.
Muck.
No.
Muck.
Bad.
Muck.
Bad T-word.
Muck.
Bad T-word.
Muck. Muck. I literally left the game so we can play Muck.
You left the game?
For Muck.
Well, this video is changing from Sea of Thieves to Muck. We aren't going to do any of the tall tales that T-Roy said we would do. Nope, he lied. Wasn't my fault, it was all T-Roy.
I said we would do this tomorrow, but okay.
I'll see y'all tomorrow. Hopefully.
You
Goodbye.
mean today, because we're now playing Muck.